EU tanker crew puts RORO Italian flag social security to embark. We have many companies now that are drifting the crew management from European controlled headquarter companies towards ship managers in India. Many tanker companies are now taking away the European crew and investing in the future Indian crew and as well always Filipino crew, because Europe is really like 26 chicken with no head regarding investment forward to have a huge talent and pool of ratings and officers and so on. This is a huge disaster in Europe. But if you are one of those tanker ABs, always as cooks, junior officers that still thinking, well, why should I have to wait until they replace me with an Indian or Asian crew if I am a European? Why do I need to go to these risk areas in Asia? Why not think about the social security, Italian social security? If you are an AB, you could really take the job as always 2,200 euros plus social security, and then have 2 years unemployment, 20 years pension, sanitary assistance, full European social security, and then promote to maybe 3,100 euros. That's the only way, unless you take a job of another European RORO or ROPAX and then get the 12 months experience as AB. For the junior officers, if you have been a cadet, now you see that they are going to replace you with Indian officers. Think about having a 12 months experience RORO ships. Get these jobs now, because then you could get 3,300, 3,400 for the deck and engineer, third officers and the fourth engineer respectfully. And so get experience these type of ships. You don't need to know English, because there is a huge future ahead, and the fleet of European ships, European trades, European flags, European crew is growing, and Candina is fighting very strong. This message is for many Latvian, Estonian, Lithuanian, Polish, Croatian, Slovenian, Greek, many Bulgarian, Romanian, Spanish, Portuguese, and so on. European tanker, even Deutsch, Belgium, French, that have been sailing under a flag of convenience, and perhaps now is the time to think, should I stay, should I go where I can really help European community and close home. This is a family company, ship owner with 22 ROROs, 55 passenger ships, and the same Candina, 126 years sailing here. And now we need you to join our family. Of course, perhaps if you have a second officer rank on board the tanker, you need to get into a third officer and then get experience. And perhaps it's a little sacrifice to have a long term. If you are a young European officer, you should be interested. If you're a cadet, study and try to choose this kind of ship, so you are accruing, you are adding this experience on board type ship. Thank you, bye.